The global battle for technological dominance has shifted. Forget tanks and missiles. Today the fiercest battles are fought with silicon and algorithms. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the new weapon, and AI chips are the ammunition. At the heart of this new war are two tech giants: Nvidia, the US-based graphics processing unit powerhouse, and Huawei, the Chinese telecommunications equipment and smartphone manufacturer. Their competition in the realm of AI chips is not just about market share, it's about shaping the future of computing, innovation, and global power. The stakes are high. AI chips power everything from self-driving cars and medical diagnoses to facial recognition systems and military drones. Dominance in AI computing means controlling the pace of innovation across a wide range of fields, from healthcare and transportation to defense and beyond. The world is watching closely as this technological arms race unfolds, with potentially profound consequences for the geopolitical landscape. Nvidia has long been the undisputed king of AI chips. Its GPUs, originally designed for gaming, have proven remarkably adept at handling the complex computations required for AI applications. The company's H100 processor, launched in 2022, is a testament to its technological prowess. This behemoth of a chip boasts an astonishing 80 billion transistors and can cost upwards of $37,000 per unit. Major tech companies, including Elon Musk's Tesla and Mark Zuckerberg's Meta, rely heavily on Nvidia's GPUs for their AI research and development. This demand has propelled Nvidia to a commanding position in the global AI chip market, with the company controlling over 80% of the market share. Its chips are the engines driving the AI revolution, powering advancements in everything from natural language processing to computer vision. However, a new challenger has emerged from the east, threatening to disrupt Nvidia's dominance. In 2023, the U.S. government imposed export controls restricting the sale of Nvidia's most advanced AI chips, including the H100 and its predecessor, the A100, to Chinese companies. The move was intended to curb China's technological ambitions and maintain U.S. leadership in the critical field of AI. However, these sanctions may have had the unintended consequence of accelerating China's push for technological self-sufficiency. Faced with the inability to access Nvidia's cutting-edge chips, Chinese companies like Huawei were forced to innovate. The U.S. government's actions, while intended to hinder China's progress, may have inadvertently spurred a new wave of technological development within the country. This has led to a more fragmented global chip market, with China increasingly looking inward to meet its growing demand for AI computing power. Section 4. Huawei's Counterpunch, the Ascend 910C emerges. Huawei, a company no stranger to U.S. sanctions, responded to the challenge with a display of technological prowess. In May 2025, the company announced the launch of its Ascend 910C, a powerful new AI chip designed to rival, and perhaps even surpass, Nvidia's H100. The Ascend 910C boasts double the computational power and memory capacity of its predecessor, the Ascend 910B, signaling a significant leap forward in Huawei's chip-making capabilities. The news of Huawei's breakthrough sent shockwaves through the tech industry. Nvidia's stock tumbled 2% upon the announcement, wiping out $55 billion in market value. Analysts and investors took note. Huawei was no longer content to be a follower in the AI chip race. The company was now a serious contender, capable of challenging Nvidia's dominance and reshaping the global AI landscape. Section 5. The stakes, more than just market share. The competition between Nvidia and Huawei is about far more than just profits and market share. It has profound implications for global innovation and national security. Control over the design and production of AI chips translates to control over the pace of technological advancement across a wide range of sectors. Countries that lag behind in this race risk becoming dependent on others for critical technologies, with potential consequences for their economic competitiveness and national security. The military implications of this chip war are particularly concerning. AI chips are increasingly used in advanced weapon systems, including drones, missile defense systems, and autonomous vehicles. Huawei's advancements in AI chip technology have raised concerns in Washington that China could leverage these capabilities to enhance its military prowess. This has fueled a debate about the need for greater scrutiny of technology transfer and the potential for an AI arms race. Section 6. The future of the chip war, a multipolar world. The chip war is far from over. While Nvidia and Huawei are the current heavyweights, other players are entering the fray. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are all developing their own custom AI chips, seeking to reduce their reliance on external suppliers and gain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. The U.S. government's attempts to restrict China's access to advanced chip-making technologies have had mixed results. While they may have slowed China's progress in the short term, they have also fueled the country's determination to achieve technological independence. China is investing heavily in its domestic semiconductor industry, aiming to become a global leader in chip design and manufacturing. The future of the chip war is likely to be multipolar, with no single country or company holding a monopoly on AI computing power. Section 7. Conclusion, collaboration, or conflict. The competition between Huawei and Nvidia highlights the complex interplay between technological innovation, economic competition, and geopolitical rivalry. While competition can drive progress, excessive rivalry risks fragmentation and conflict. The global community faces a choice: embrace collaboration to harness the transformative potential of AI, or succumb to a zero-sum mentality that stifles innovation and exacerbates tensions. The future of AI, and indeed the future of humanity, may depend on which path we choose. Will we use this powerful technology to address global challenges and improve the human condition? Or will we allow it to become another weapon in our arsenal of destruction? The answer lies not in the chips themselves, but in the choices we make as a global society.